At InfraAIR, we don't just sell HVAC solutions, we shape the future of indoor environments. For over 30 years, we've been the bridge between innovation and execution, connecting engineers, manufacturers, and contractors with cutting-edge, energy-efficient systems. From advanced air quality solutions to smart home building integrations, we bring the latest technology into the Canadian market, ensuring buildings aren't just built, but built to perform. Our team isn't just about sales, we provide insight, technical knowledge, and ongoing support to help you create a better, more efficient space for your home. InfraAIR, innovation you can trust, performance you can feel. The future of HVAC starts here.